Urgent hiring sa Japan, factory worker, fish processor. Ang salary ay 57,651 pesos. Qualifications, at least high school graduate, at least 6 months to 1 year of experience in the same field with certificate of employment not later than 2019. Ang mga requirements, magdala ng original at colored photocopy A4 size ng mga sumusunod. 1. Application form, updated resume, valid passport, certificate of employment, 2x2 picture with white background na may suot na blazer, 2 pieces certified true copy, diploma, 2 pieces certified true copy, Form 137 or transcript of records. NBI clearance, multipurpose, PSA birth certificate, e-registration or e-reg, pre-employment seminar or PEOS, vaccination card at booster card, at certificate of residency from barangay. Pumunta sa sourcing.unoph.com at filapan at i-print ang UNO application form. Walk-in po ang pag-a-apply para sa mga fully vaccinated na may hawak na passport. Maaaring pumunta sa opisina at dumalo sa kanilang orientation 9 AM ng umaga, Lunes hanggang Biyernes. UNO Overseas Placement Incorporated, 867 AP Building, MF Hoxon Street, Sampaloc, Manila.